Abatshayeli bamatroko bathi kunokuriyada okukhona emkhawulweni begodu lokhu kuphazamisa umkhakha wezokuthutha. I-Truckers Association of South Africa ithi abatshayeli angeze basakhona ukuphazanyiswa njengoba lokhu kufaka engozini amatroko ajame emkhawulweni.
The border posts have problems because instead of taking a day to cross over, it takes about 2-3 days, and it's got a criminal element in it.
I-Truckers Association ithi ithunyekile njengobana okhuna abakuthuthako okuphelelwa sikhathi kungonakala.
At the moment, the delay that we'll be facing is going to affect on the goods that we are transporting. There are goods that is time limited. They must be there on time. For example, the perishable goods, explosives, flammable goods. You cannot afford to stand when there's already a congestion of 2 days, and this situation is adding on another extra 3 days on top of it, because you need now to deal with the current congestion that has already been piled up because of the strike.
Estatementini i-SARS ithi bathembele esekelweni leminyango kahulumende kiyo yonke imikhawulo khulukhulu amapholisa ukuqinisekisa bona umsebenzi uyaraga. Bafakelela ngokuthi imisebenzi emkhawulweni iyaraga nemithethwane khona ezokwenza bona imiphumela yemtjhagalo ingaphazamisa umsebenzi.